Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make a short unboxing of the Skullcandy Hesh Evo headphones. So as you can see, there are two models and I will unbox them both and give you my first impressions. So as you see in the box, Skullcandy Hesh Evo, we have this small how to use it. We have a small bag that contains the USB cable for charging the headphones. So it is an USB-C to USB-A. It is very small, probably 10 centimeters long, and we have a jack to jack cable that has 1.20 meters to connect the headphones with a device. And this is the manual that no one reads. So these are the headphones. As you see, they are a folding headphones, and just like the Sony 1000 XM4 or the XM3, this is how they open. We see that they have a very good rubber. The total battery on these headphones will last up to 36 hours of playing time and has a quick charge for 10 minutes. If you charge them for 10 minutes, they will last up to 3 hours of playing time. So these are the first headphones, and now let's go to the other pair. Skullcandy, the same Hesh Evo. Rapid charge, 10 minutes, 3 hours. On this other one, it says it has 10 minutes, 4 hours of playing time. So you can take the calls. They are auto connect and they are Bluetooth 5.0. They doesn't have active noise cancelling, but they have noise isolation because they are over ears headphones. And let's see them. The back is the same cable, same USB-C. I really love that on the USB-C it has the logo of Skullcandy. You see, even on the back. That is a cool feature. And the same one, same here. So they look the same. As you see, the box, it is very different. So this is the front one, 36 hour. You can find them via the Tile app. Flat folding. So they are identical. Let's see them how they fold, and then let's see the buttons. So as you see on the right headphones, you will find the plus, the minus button. the on and off button. Here you can charge the headphones. As I already said, it lasts up to 36 hours, and this is the jack. The logo, they look very clean. I like this matte surface, but I don't like this flashy plastic. So let's turn them on. Power on. Listen to this. Power on. After you power on, just open the Bluetooth menu on the phone and you will see Hesh Evo. H-E-F-O. So let's connect them. Pairing successful. So it gives us a message. So if I press the volume plus and minus, it will take the volume directly from the headphones. This is the play and stop button, and let's hear them. Yeah, so they have a very good sound quality. The bass is very present, not like the Skullcandy Crusher, but it is very present. What can I say? Compared to the Sony 1000 XM5, the Sony 1000 XM5 are better, but for $70 I think this is the best headphones that you can buy at around this price, at around $70. They doesn't have noise cancelling, active noise cancelling, but the sound is very good. They cover my whole ear. I don't feel them. The sound is not that it is very good. I think I feel a little pressure on my ears, but I think this is because they are brand new. Let's see them. Yeah, it's the same thing. Here is a LED that is showing us that now it's trying to pair, and because this is already paired, there are no lights. Power off, they said. So I like very much because they fold and you can take it with you wherever you want, and doesn't need to have that big carrying. Like this or like this. They are not that comfortable, but the sound is very good. For $70 it is very good. What can I say? I even have the Bose Quiet Comfort 45, the Sony 1000 XM5. Recently I tested some Bang & Olufsen headphones, the Beoplay H5 I think. These are cheap, but the sound is very good. I can really recommend these headphones for around $70. Of course, if you want big bass, I will definitely recommend the Skullcandy Crusher, because it has even better bass than the 1000 XM5 from Sony. What do you think about these headphones? What headphones do you use? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit the like button. Cheers!